Hello amazing people, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video we are going to learn how to make this beautiful twist hairband. It's actually looking very beautiful and very simple to make. If you are coming across me for the first time, my name is Grace. Please do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So these are the material I'm going to be working with. I have this bigger one which I have two pieces. I cut it two, and I'm measuring the length and the width of it. Don't worry, I'm going to write it out. But for the length, I'm making use of 7 inch, while the width of this material is 16 inch. Okay, the length is 7 inch while the width of it is 16 inch. For the smaller piece, I'm going to make the length of this piece to be 3 inch, while the wideness of it will be is 13 inch. Alright, so these are the items I'm going to work with, a section of the elastic for now. So I will soon show you how to cut your elastic, and I'm taking it to my machine and I will run a stitch like this. I'm going to stitch it on fold like this. So when that is done, I'm going to be simply using my hand to flip it out. For the tiny piece, it will not be so easy to use your hand to flip it out. So you can use anything to flip it out. Alright. Use anything to flip it out. As you can see, I was trying to use my barrow to flip it out. It wasn't working. So I have to use scissors. So my scissors really give me what I want. So after flipping it to the right side, this is what we have. We are going to iron it in the way that the seam allowance will be in the middle. When that is done, this is the elastic I'm using. To determine the length of the elastic, I used half of this measurement. Normally we're supposed to use 12 inch, but I added 1 inch for stitching allowance, which was 13 inch. Okay, so 12 inch divided by 2 is 6. So the length of the elastic I cut out is 6 inch. Alright, so this is me with the help of my safety pin. I'm inserting my elastic into this elastic casing, and after which I'm going to stitch the 2 edge like this. It's very simple. Trim off all the excess thread. Okay, so that is what I'm simply doing there. I'm trying to trim off all the excess thread. So I'm keeping that aside. I bring back the bigger rope. So to sew this, you can see the way I fold my piece. I fold it into two and double the edge like this. Place the edge on each other. I'm going to take it to the machine and stitch. Guys, if you are actually using a hand to stitch this material, you will need a longer needle so that you will be able to push it in, because believe me, it's very thick at this moment. Okay, So this is me trying to cut out some excess so that when I flip it to the right side, it will not become too buggy. Okay. And this is what we have. The next step is to carry insert the other side of the piece like this, as if it's a cross. Then close it like this. When you close it like this, you add up you add up you add up this small one in the middle like this, and fold the two edge like this, and stitch it down. And when that is done, I'm also trimming off excess seam allowance. After which I'm going to show you what to do next. So after trimming the allowance, push out your elastic casing like this, in the way that the seam allowance will be stuck inside. Okay, and after that is done, this is the final look of it. I told you guys it's very simple to make. You can actually make this a band even without having sewing machine. Oh, you just need to be creative. If you have watched to this extent, you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button, and see you all in my next video. Bye.